Is DJI Osmo Pocket worth buying? Should you buy the DJI Osmo Pocket? Best answer, yes. While most phones these days are more than capable of producing great-looking video, the Osmo Pocket is well worth the money for vloggers that want the smoothest footage in a compact form factor. How long does DJI Osmo Pocket battery last? The Osmo Pocket's 875 mAh battery should last for about 2 hours when shooting 1080p video and 1 hour when shooting 4. Which is better, GoPro or DJI Osmo Pocket? Both cameras are meant for different purposes, but they're versatile enough to work in most situations. The GoPro is, as always, specialized for action shots, while the Osmo Pocket is more meant for deliberate and slow movements, but you can make either camera work beyond its intended purpose. Can DJI Osmo Pocket zoom? There's no zoom function on the Osmo Pocket. You can get the Osmo Plus for this feature. You can digitally zoom in on video using the Mimo app. Can the Osmo Pocket take pictures? The Osmo Pocket is an all-in-one camera with a built-in stabilizer that is, as the name suggests, pocket-sized and incredibly easy to use. The camera is similar to what is found on DJI's drones and can shoot 4K video and still images in a variety of shooting modes. Does Osmo require Wi-Fi? Only on the very first time launching Osmo will you need an internet connection to connect your device. After that you'll never need Wi-Fi or data again. Can you use Osmo without phone? Sadly, it's not actually possible to activate a DJI Osmo Pocket without a smartphone altogether, but your options aren't as limited as you might initially think. You can in fact activate the camera on an iPad and many more Android phones than officially stated, even if they have micro USB connections. Will Osmo work with any tablet? Osmo is currently compatible with iPads, iPhones and Amazon Fire tablets. There are currently no firm plans to expand into Android devices, although we'd love to do so in the near future. Osmo is currently compatible with iPads, iPhones and Amazon Fire tablets. What age is Osmo suitable for? Game which is designed for children aged 4 to 11. There are multiple levels of difficulty in all of our games that make them fun for any age, including adults. Is Osmo good for a 10-year-old? Osmo recommend their apps from age 5 to 12 except for Monster, which is 4 to 9. Is Osmo only for iPads? Osmo works with most iPads and Amazon Fire tablets. To confirm that your device supports Osmo, the appropriate Osmo base and red reflector for your device. Does Osmo Pocket have SD card? Naturally, that requires a storage device, and DJI has given the Osmo Pocket a micro SD card slot. Does the Osmo Pocket record sound? The DJI Osmo Pocket can record audio. There are 2 built-in microphones on the DJI Osmo Pocket. The microphones adopt a noise reduction algorithm, greatly improving Osmo Pocket's recording quality. Can you use Osmo Pocket while charging? Yes, you can use /record using the DJI Osmo Pocket while charging the unit. But, it is recommended to charge the unit fully before using it, as the battery life might be affected by the heat. Please kindly note and understand.